Zoe Lyn from Fixin with Zoe Lyn, and I had my best crewmate Mike ask me if I could paint his race car. And since he doesn't race in our class, I said yes. So last night I painted the car black and taped it off, and now I'm going to be painting the first stripes.
Now that we taped off part of the car, we have to paint part of the car white. I love using white paint because there's such a big contrast and you can see what you're doing. It was difficult to navigate my way around the bumper of the car. I had to make sure I was getting every part of the bumper. It was so much fun getting to use the paint gun, especially since it's a tool I don't use that often. Now moving on to painting the side of the car white. Then I spent 3 hours taping off the car. I don't enjoy taping things off because it's so tedious, but I know in the end it's going to look so good and be worth it. Now I was just walking around the car and making sure everything was taped off. I only want to get paint where the stripe's going to be. You have to make sure to be very cautious while taping things off. You don't want to miss anything. Now I'm testing out the green paint. It's time to paint on the green stripe. It's gonna look so cool. Whoa, this is such a bright neon green. This looks so amazing. I've never seen such a pretty green in my life. I'm painting in the green stripe and making sure I don't miss anything. I want the paint only to be where I want the stripe to be. I love this neon green. It's just like the green that's on the Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn race cars. I like how the paint perfectly fills in the lines. It's making the stripe look so good already. Now I have to carefully remove the taped off paper. I have to make sure not to bump the paint since I didn't wait till it's dry. Usually I would recommend you to wait till the paint is dry, but I didn't have time for that day. Then I added on a small black stripe and that was it for the paint job. I love how the final product turned out. We also added some stickers. The stickers look so cool. The end result almost looks identical to the original picture.
I can't believe how amazing it turned out. It looks exactly like the digital reference picture. I can't even tell the difference. You've been watching Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn Racing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye!